Hey everyone, welcome back to Skin Pixel Custom Controllers. Today I'm excited to show you a behind the scenes look at repair and upgrade project I've got on my workbench. So these controls arrived earlier this week for repair. The customer had sent them in because they've got stick drift, and we're going to be upgrading them with Hall Effects analog sticks. Let's dive in. Get these out, see what we're working with. These sticks use magnetic sensors instead of the traditional potentiometers. It's a fantastic choice to eliminate stick drift. The first thing I'm going to do is just check the controllers. So what I'm doing here is I'm plugging it into the computer and I'm using a program online which shows me the functionality of the buttons. So the buttons on all three controllers work perfectly, so that's fantastic. And then the first thing we're going to do now is get the controllers disassembled. This involves carefully removing the outer shell, disconnecting the internal components and accessing the analog sticks. What I wasn't aware of before is this custom kit that's installed inside of his black controller. That presents a bit more of a challenge as I've got to go in and remove some of the solder points before I can get access to the analog sticks. So with these other two controllers, they're going to be a lot more straightforward. I removed the stock analog sticks and replaced them with these Hall Effect sticks. So the first thing I'm going to do is just get the rumble motors desoldered. This gets these out of the way and just makes the board a lot easier to work with when taking off the analog sticks. So let's see where this is attached. The method I like to use is a bit of a combination of a solder sucker and a heat gun. With all the soldering done, it's a quick tidy up before reassembling the controllers. So here are the completed boards where we've removed the old stock analog sticks and replaced them with the new Hall Effect sticks. With the controller partially assembled, we'll digitally calibrate the sticks, and should we need to, we can remove the board to make any manual adjustments. Yeah, fool. Forgot to put that in. Once everything is back together, I run a series of tests to ensure the controller works perfectly. And there you have it, 3 PlayStation 5 controllers saved from going into the trash. They've been upgraded with Hall Effect analog sticks and they'll live on another day. If you've got a controller in need of repair or looking to get upgrades like custom shells, back buttons, clicky triggers and more, head over to my website at skinpixel.co.uk or send me a message on social media. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any future content. See you next time.